Creating a load on the DeliveryMark website. A more detailed look at the carrier trucker information page. The create load process includes selecting shipper, customer, trucker carrier delivery person, origin pickup location, destination drop-off location, as well as the option to include another person to receive updates on the load. You click Create Load, and to save time, we quickly went through the shipper and customer pages, to get to the carrier trucker information page. Now you are on the carrier trucker information page. Let's explain the radio buttons at the top of the carrier trucker information page. Same as shipper, same as customer, other enter info below, fill it later, and send for bids. Please note we put a gold asterisk next to the item we are discussing. If you select, same as shipper, the form will pre-fill with the shipper information. If you select same as customer, the customer information will be pre-filled in the form. If you select other enter info below, you can manually type in the carrier trucker information. Please note, entering your contacts into DeliveryMark makes it so much easier to complete forms. In this example, if the person was a contact, and you entered his email address, the rest of the form will be completed for you. If you select Fill It Later, DeliveryMark will save the load without a carrier trucker delivery person. The load will be in the system, but you will need to go back to the load and later enter the carrier. Up until now, all the choices on the carrier trucker page are the standard: create a load, assign it to a carrier trucker delivery person, and it is ready to go. The information with all the details is out there, and the delivery process can start. But, DeliveryMark is unique, because there is an additional option: the DeliveryMark network. Perhaps you are unsure who to assign the load to? Perhaps you want to see if you can have the load delivered for a less expensive price? The DeliveryMark network handles it for you. To send the load to the DeliveryMark network, click Send for Bids. Then you select a group from the drop-down, and enter the dollar amount you are willing to pay to have the load delivered. Then click Next. All the people in the selected group will receive notification of the load. They will then respond to you if they want to deliver the load, along with any comments they may have. After you receive these responses, you can then go back into the load and assign it to one of the carriers. Summary: if you select same as shipper or same as customer, it immediately assigns the load. Other enter info below, it immediately assigns the load. Fill it later allows you to go back later and assign load. Send for bids sends the load to the selected group in your DeliveryMark network. After you get responses, you go back into the load and assign it to a carrier.